I want to show you how to reset a Kenwood stereo, pretty much any stereo. What was happening is the screen, when you turn it on, let's see, it's turned off. So you turn it on, it would show Kenwood, and then this screen would be all black. So, but it would light up and it showed Kenwood, so it showed it was working. What I did is I took this off the face. Let's get it off real quick. I'm trying to do it with one hand. Took off the face. There's the reset button. You hit it, or you poke with something. For example, like this. You hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it resets. You put it back on, hit source power, and it started working. Usually happens with malfunctions. Something small happens or it glitches. Just the best thing to do is just hit the reset button and hold it down for 5 seconds. So it could be sometimes it's down here, or it'd be down here. Somewhere on here it's just the reset button. So there you go. Hopefully that works for you on your Kenwood or any kind of stereo.